Well, hello and welcome from Panama City Beach, Florida. We're on a motorcycle adventure down here. Absolutely enjoying the beach, everything that it has to offer. And I wanted to do a little unboxing in my gratitude for winning this Insta360 X5 that I feel is going to change everything I have to do with content. So here's everything out of the box. I packed it up and brought it with me. So we have their Action stick. Highly recommend the Action stick. I have one for my X3. If you're going to use something like this, do a good quality stick. I've seen too many people use knockoffs and they end up losing their camera. That's not a good thing. Let's see here. We have the heavy duty bar clamp. This is really nice. I have used this before with my X3 and purchased the entire kit, and I really like how that mounts to the lower chin bars or to the handlebars. I'll do a install video later and show you what that's all about. And of course, let's see, what do we have? We've got the lens cap. Very important if you want to protect your lenses. Put this thing on if you're going to throw it in your pocket or just lay it on a table or anything. Very nice that they included this with the kit. And let's see, of course, we have the Prime Gold Insta360 X5 8K. This thing, I think, is going to knock content out of the water. It's absolutely a wonderful company. The X3 has done me really well. And just some of the details on it. Some of the other stuff. Sorry about the glare. I'm outside. I figured it would be a nice place to do this. And we'll get to more in just a moment. Okay, the lens cap. Let's take a look. Let's open it up. See what we got in the box. Looks like some paper instructions, and then we have the lens cap itself all wrapped up nice and neat. Trying to keep the camera from shaking, and I was trying to do this early enough to where we didn't have a bunch of people talking in the background. But yeah, it looks like it should go on the camera and look pretty nice. So next up is the selfie stick. This one is a really high quality stick. Looks like it comes with some maybe stickers, qualified stickers. I don't know, maybe. Very nice. This thing is very solid. It's very stiff, very nice. It's made for motorcycle action, any kind of abuse you can really put it through. It's all aluminum construction on the bottom. The top does have a rubber plate here so your camera will hold on to it nice. I do run my other one with a cage on top of it. I'll talk about that later. But very nice stick. Had real good luck out of this. All right. Next up, we've got the Insta360 heavy duty clamp. This is the second version to my knowledge. This one is really strong. Said I have used this in the past and mounted it on my handlebars. It's very heavy aluminum construction. Nothing inexpensive about this part. It does mount to the camera real nice. Got a textured little area right here that does work. It is multi-angle, so you can change this. You can loosen it and turn it, spin it however you want to. It makes it very cool. And once you tighten this, it tightens up everything. So you just loosen that, you adjust it however you want to, you put it on the bike, you tighten this up. Now it does come with a tool right here, and this tool, let me open the bag maybe. Hold on one second. The tool that's inside here, looks like we've got some other mounting accessories as well. Okay, that would be for your standard camera mounts, like other brands use. You can also use that with the same thing here. Just put that right up on top, and you can mount any other style that you want, or you can use it for any brand, I guess, for that fact. Now this tool, once you put this on the handlebars, you can crank this sucker down and really attach it. You can put it on anything, so it doesn't have to be just motorcycle related. Of course, that's what we're gonna do, so I don't get flagged for not doing motorcycle content, but let's just pretend that's your handlebars right there. You put that on, you crank that on, and man, that thing is not moving anywhere. So solid. Very good design. Insta360 hit it out of the park when they made this. All right, so let's put this back in the box here. See if we can figure out how it went back in there. I guess we'll do that. And I'll put that back in later. We got some rubber adapters and whatnot. Now we'll get to the main attraction here, and we'll get the camera opened up. Be right back. All right. Thank you very much, Insta360, for sending me this X5. So cool to win a contest like that. We're gonna take it out of its package here, and we'll take a quick look and see what we've got. Do an unboxing right here on the beach of Panama City, and let's see how we open that. There we go. Looks like got a nice little package here. They give you some instructions. Looks like keeping everything nice and safe here. Lens covers. Now here, the charging port, got to make sure it's closed to stay waterproof, but I do like you can pull this door off if you want to, and you can run a cable in here. USB, I'd have 90-degree USBs for my other cameras. But yeah, you can do that, and you can power it all the time, so you don't have to have a bunch of batteries if you choose to do that. But keep in mind, it's not waterproof when that's open. You do have a couple different power buttons and adjustment buttons here for different settings. We've got the battery door. Use original Insta360 batteries, and you'll be able to tell by the little latch right here. They're waterproof as long as you use that. The memory card goes right inside here. I do recommend at least a 512 memory card. That'll get you plenty of time to shoot. Smaller cards are okay, but you'll have to do one little motorcycle video and then edit it, and you know, we do a lot of touring, so bigger cards. For me, I'm a one and kind of done thing. This camera, the quality is so good. Everything you can produce, I know you've seen the videos that I produce, and I do it very simply, but everything that you produce with this, you can use this one camera for all functions. You can use it as a 10 mount camera, you can use it as a point of view camera, you can use it as a tail camera. Really an awesome piece of equipment right there. And I would say in the box, we also have things like charge cables. We got, looks like an instruction book. I'm not going to open that. If you purchase one, you'll definitely get it. This is one of my favorite things that they come with. I really appreciate the fact that they give this little pocket sleeve for the camera. When I'm out and about, this is what I carry in my pocket. I love the fact that I can just throw the camera right in here, and inside is a cleaning cloth and a really good charge cable to be able to charge that thing up. But yeah, you can just pop the camera right in there, put it in your pocket. It's protected. The case is so nice. Insta360, you did an excellent job providing that, that's for sure. All right, well, let's put that back in. We'll put the instructions back in there. if we had more time, we would go over all that and see what else we've got. I think that's about it in the box. Very nice, good quality. They really thought about it when they did the box on this. So, well, the next portion of this video will be mounting on the bike, and you know, let's see what this thing really looks like and put out some videos. Thanks again, Insta360. I appreciate you sponsoring this camera, and winning the contest was amazing. I do really appreciate you. And let's see where this goes in the future. We'll produce some awesome motorcycle content. Thank you very much, and have a great day, everyone.